beauties, happy St. Patrick's Day. Here is the most delicious cabbage recipe you will ever try. Everyone that tastes it absolutely loves it, so I thought I would share it today. Enjoy the video. Now that it's cut in slices, we're going to wash it. So we'll soak it in water. Put some water in the pan. Heat it up. Then we're going to put the cabbage in there. And then I'll show you what else. Lift it out with a strainer. Now we're going to put butter and oil. We're going to have to cook this in batches, and we have this much left. I'm adding garlic powder, never garlic salt, because I want to keep the sodium down. So just adding a bit of that, and maybe some of this black pepper. I really love this black pepper. It doesn't burn my mouth so much. Let's see, just a little. Okay. And this is the most important ingredient, Parmesan cheese. You can add this whenever you'd like. You could wait till it cooks a little more, it doesn't matter. You could just pour this on very generously and cover. And you are going to have the best corned beef and cabbage, well, the best cabbage you ever had. So it's garlic powder, butter, oil, and Parmesan cheese on the top of the stove in a frying pan. Turns out to be incredible. Incredible. So I'm taking the corned beef and I'm putting it in the crock pot. I was going to put it in the oven, but it will take too long. So the crock pot is fast and easy. Immerse it with water and put it on high. Okay, 2 layers is good. It works. You can fill the pan up. You don't have to do 1 layer. And just keep stirring it around every now and then. Oh, it smells amazing. This is the second batch cooking. I just put it in a little water, just a little water. A little pepper, a little garlic powder, and now I'll add the Parmesan. Generously. And the butter. Trim the fat and slice it up.